ba kwa omo ntimi ante sanso na Bechem United omo nso etra Bechem ewini ekamienu editia Vision FC omo nso ntimi ante Aduana Stars etra doma ehye ekamienu editia Bebiani Gold Stars omo nso ntimi ante na Baseke Holy Stars omune enso atre game no ade se entimi amaso eno no ya de honsem no enso ebebrel na after 21 matches in the Ghana Premier League no league table no say erakwe Kumasi Asante Kotoko omaje esoro no etimi aboso omo 38 points omo lead league table no Bebiani Gold Stars etosu mieno 37 points sanso na Heart of Lions abetosu miensa 37 points ade se Hasofo abetoso bako enan ewo league table ne so a omo 36 points. Nations FC ewo 35 points etoso enum. Bechem United abetoso ensia 33 points. Sansona Mediama etoso enson 32 points. Samates etoso watwe omo 28 points. Brekum Chelsea etoso enkron 28 points. Young Apostles enso etoso edu omo 27 points. Aduana Stars etoso edu bako omo 25 points. Edu mienu Dreams FC omo 24 points. Holy Stars Baseke Holy Stars fono omo so 13th position. Omo so ewo adese 24 points. Vision FC ewo 14th position omo 23 points. Enso Atremai omo so ewo 21 points at the 15th position. Lagos Cities enso ewo 20 points at the 16th position. Karela United at the 17th with 18 points and so Tima Ochatuano Accra Lions are almost 16 points after 21 matches and so Ghana Premier League no honsam ena yede brown no na edi kan no yewremu ewo Summer Boy ebra Kumasi Asante Kotoko edi na ni chemu enso ewo Summer Boy na omokobo game against Samates no yani Stivo before the game Edin komo erebusa say Stivo na wono we Samates ni anase we Asante Kotoko chiteni say ena Stivo ekai Samates mba let me think bayo Kotoko okay Samates abukum ha ntim da Kotoko na mo dwane Samates bi amitima na miti oh amba Samates ba there emi no koni omba premier do amno kro ha there emi dey ade a week bia sebo ho de na o man kwa we na mo gbogbo mo de a ha ye de papa Ntekoroko supporter Stivo and this answer to you see before Samates ebeba Ghana Premier League no ye Kotoko ni ntinye Samates abey ena oba be free Asante Kotoko akọ Samates eno enso ensama Stivo edi tudwa na abrantia ye friend Alakwe ono Okada rider ene ebusa ne say Alakwe on the match day ewo Summer Boy no Okada business no say enetie enti eno Alakwe Okada rider eno wochem say Samates ebo game ewo Summer Boy a Okada djuma no ekoso kama isan say nipa dodo na ewrem ho enso ebebo mani akoma eno ensama Samates Asante Kotoko before the game no kra no ye ne nkofo di nkomo eno mo de sansam ne etudwa no na game ne ba na wie ya Asante Kotoko enso etimi konya 1 point every side game ni mu ena national chairman edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko chairman Tony ensam etudwa na okansem bebre yentie no yes support our you can I will say without fear say a group of couple and our highness Samates it is a big Kotoko no Samates or you know also
because we are brand Juma Abono.
Okay.
He says supporters based in the Upas and Kibra area, Mia Chairman, and he said there was some supporters based very good. But a humanity supporters not airborne movement. I will go to Kobra when you were because one day and the Juma Babono. If you are said, or soon son who said when you have the job money. Sada Adiana Koya, but your support base was some boy there. They are very solid. Assembly and
no chairman Tony no Kumasi Asante Kroko support base was summer boy and Asanke grandpa temwodie solid because Kumasi Asante Kroko this season some passports ye do omo chipa ye nemom no omo call summer test no support omo konya no na enye fedi agro no na chairman and so Edison Semino tudwa ne wie no na ye ne supporters PRO ma summer test abrantia ye friend Fedes dodo na friend no chama wuntumi ene ne di nkomo ene yebusa ne se Fedes mo ntimi anye 3 maximum point no game no ense men na de betudwa
who says see a really supporters year award last season this year but sometimes this is football the game of football characters will be really expect this to but it's sometimes they would never, but the past maybe a function on a boys they are okay. They predict after some lapses with the Babas regular.
Mona Yahu, the right and normal and so Esifa Etientino. House of folk game no Ebana no coach Bubaka Watara and paying for set or more charging in TMCR4 more charging no ha now more 2 screen so now after so Yahafono Etimiahu and Norma a course of House of folk Gentino game ne Bana no a mandated say your board game be area coach Biano ebe kono ne ensem akodin komo about the game then so coach we no or say enya de say obeko sa post match no eno na GF say wabu omumra ne so enti ya de say omumra na omume chechem eso eho na ye wie no ene ye di coach ye friend no Karim Zito edin komo efa game no ne ebusan say coach has of four coach there wa ma post match o de waba na game no say ena obeka area fa game hu.
This is all what football is about, especially when during competition. All what is needed is for you to score. So I'm very happy today we are able to score. No other team has a foot. So I think it's a great victory for the club that I hope and wish we will take on that and then enhance our goal scoring.
Okay, I know a coach. Your friend Karim Zito on the head coach Edema Dreams FC and what they Nania Japan. So we shall House of Foka especially Dreams FC Brana and Oma Mkoye and so Mfa and my team. Away from that, Nayan Remo and so Dr. Kwame Chain Sports Complex. I know Abrankese and the Ghana Premier League game. Nations FC Etnefie come you know Eritia Media Man Omote Ekarimbako Coach Kasim Mengel. As a coach, after 3 matches on a row, na muntimi wini go. I game no after say ene muntimi wini against Midiamano. Any journey to say?
It's good. 3 matches on a row coming to play. Midiama, everybody. It was a very big task. Then we have also we seen so we we are relieved and we are happy to protect much more.
Eno coach Kasim Mingle and ode sansam no enso etuja hawa nani age se omotime awini over mediama nano ene coach Ibrahim Tanko ono ene head coach ene ma mediama ene busanse coach game no abana wiyo edie ena anko ya ema mediama lusu game no.
So I was very competitive. At times when you are playing and officials decide to frustrate you,
MC Afwana no mama Ibrahim Tanko. Mediama na feso yetie dientia mediama elusu game no to Nations FC Ntino Ransford mo be coach Ibrahim Tanko mama e coach Ntino
unnecessary. The war was not instituted very well, but I think in all the boys did very well. We came back strongly and tried to equalize, and then we did that. But unfortunately, we lost concentration against the second goal.
Okay, Ntino coach Ibrahim Tanko and Cheche Dientia game no omo elusu game ni to Nations FC and he say coach on next game o kotena fie on summer test sa game no e dey na media ma chita for hwe animu.
So I mean, in the Premier League till the end, everyone has chance. Like I said, the points are very narrow, and playing again and outside against Sompa definitely is a tough game. But I mean, I trust my boys. Like I said, it's very unfortunate that we lost here 2-1. But I think we are going to excite them and then go and get a very good game.
Okay, the head coach Edema Mediama Ibrahim Tanko and HH and Sassembly at 9:30 a more and so ebetimi Abrel away from a Nations FC Mediama game no na Remo ewo Adriana Stars and so any Babiani Gold Stars game no na new come head coach Edema Babiani Gold Stars coach from Pomanso and yebusa say coach and man koyo na department bay and ma lose game no.
I think we had problems in the first quarter of the game. We didn't defend well, especially in central defense. That's how we gave away 2 goals, and then it was difficult to come back. But after then, we settled, and then we were playing very well. But still, taking our chances was also a problem.
Okay, coach from Pomanso and HH mo the entire game no omulusu e kam no editia Aduana Stars no na enche no na cinco e de yewramu e wo amanone na Mame Black Stars of Ghana players no arrive no the likes of Antoine Semenyo Kudus Mohamed and Afenso Kamal Dean Suleiman Omobano yes and the Black Stars players no ewram e wo Kotoka International Airport Omotimia lande kama eda efiada enya fediagro ewo Accra Sports Stadium na game we no Ghana for hu here against Chad a World Cup qualifying game to players no enya touch it down ene omo bewura na ebo 5 pm omo akoye training enso ewo Accra Sports Stadium enti o won kan ne mpatama ubetimi awuram no akoye Stars no enso ewo no na yekọ amasinko abayi no Baseke Holy Stars mame enfonyini no omune enso atreman game no na yese baso omukodina agopramane so 30 minutes enya de say enso atrefo no e show up and left no e call of the game ti sa picture ne wo a monfa ento screen ne so enfa maye yes Baseke Holy Stars ebra no omugina agopramane so a omo twense omo opponent enso atrebe bananka Ghana Premier League game week 24 etimi abaso a eno no entimi amaso enso ewo ehwano montino yere afisem no yes enti eno no we no mo twen enso atrefo na ama enso atrese ball no Ghana Premier League omo ache omo ho efrim 9:30 yere mu nkyeremu ni nyina enso ebeba sabrede ye ko Cinco de Mario ho na ode yewramu enso ewo eye amanone na yede amanone nsem no aguori ama Ejekom Black Sea Junior obetimi afreme Orlando 9:30 more on the local news.
Yes, Abrasan, so you're coming on here and pay the following news. My TF4 live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM on your radio, and I feel live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and pay. Yes, I bet now say latest. I'm on Isama. As I was to be canino. Yeah, the one Samsung at the Banam. I'm in fun to the songs a weekend. Matches out of Pinana so to me also. Now, I'm in fun to the Soko Premier League in Madiatia, and soon as a Manchester City Boboko no and Brighton and Hove. Fabian at the face of my game and the 2-2. Not just a do baby na Queen City for the first who dominated play. I don't know. Now do not feel San Gabia Man City Bobokono. A bit of some nothing could man conquer bonus. Now after the game, I gave me the 2-2 Pena. Your friends are Pep Guardiola no your manager. At Manchester City Bobokono. And yet in commoding same P2 and Yenti some Man City manager. Your friends are Pep Guardiola did to him after the game.
What was the situation with Bernardo Silva? He obviously got...
I was watching him 5 minutes that could not make 2 steps properly. So in that moment I decided, okay, don't take a risk. But I didn't speak with him, and the doctor made that hopefully it will be a knock. Like in 2 weeks can recover, and hopefully it will be that. But I didn't have time to stay yet to talk with the doctors or him.
Yes, and no name some Manchester City manager. Your friends are Pep Guardiola did to him after the game and on pay. You don't some Edema Mojimedes Nadiatia, and so Nanasa weekend the Oko Wembley and a Carabao can fan and it me told you. Abra Newcastle United team no normally Liverpool team no at the Bonia some good cry at the Atia, and so there's a Newcastle United team no Eba Modi Liverpool so Macani you know also Nati Canaba Kwana Nyagro. Now after the game and Ben Newcastle United manager, your friends at the hour and the 2 and so on the Ojide pass and game a team to the Wembley almost surprising Liverpool team now, and I'm saying all the different style of play and they were game the Newcastle United manager at the hour.
I would say as well, just put my head over the door man, try it.
I think there's different ways to win trophies. Today we won it in the best way. We played in a brilliant opponent who've been the best team in the Premier League all season by a long way. And for me, we were the better team.
Thanks, Keith. We'll get through as many as we can. We'll go to Nisha, then Damien.
In training, and he's delivered one from a long range as well. It was, I thought it was an incredible header, and so fitting that it's him that scored that goal. Long wait for a goal, even a goal at Wembley. Yeah, brilliant moment.
Yes, and only some Newcastle United manager reference said how the 2 anymore. And I'm not paying to some an opposite number. I open your fence and a slot to a manager. And some the Maliva Butim or Jide pass and Newcastle United team no almost play just almost born on bueno, almost bomb and is to almost start Niente Liverpool manager Anna Slot. Yes, and Tia Gusua transfer Liverpool manager friends and a slot name some bet my red no or did a pass and no bowler Newcastle United for no and so boy almost style of play no and on team so Abanam City or no did a pass and na Newcastle United team no almost so deserve simple and there's a Carabao Cup no almost so a team Giano pair to one some no and to the about here for 20 sorry now no and so Diabana found to this also Manchester United team no almost so Abamodi Leicester City just an yamu hodjumana sam kudokonom yanko back nyanko tiensema Liverpool manager and a slaughtered to the bra amatina ama Newcastle United team no as
because we could not press them. You can judge a team if they are tired and if they press, but there was nothing to press because they played over our press. If they had a goal kick and if they got a free kick, which they had quite a lot of in the first half, they every time brought it into our last line, which led to a lot of set pieces. So the game was slow, not intense, so it's difficult to judge for me if we were physically ready. Mentally is always, yeah, that's a difficult one. If you look at the result and the performance, you might feel that it maybe did something to us, but I prefer to look at how the game went, and this game went exactly the way they wanted it to be. A fight with a lot of duels, and a lot of duels through the air. And if we play 10 times a game of football through the air against them,
Yes, I know some Liverpool manager fans and a slow to any man on a pair to some no. Added to Jeremiah for you. There's a round for minimum video now ready. All the battle Sabra. Na Newcastle United team no place ni celebrate our Newcastle on dash room hall. Achasana and Yagro Comania Brisa and a few no met maybe and Panet Mibam. I'm a Carabao Cup no. I'm a Sanson Latima Canano pair to some no. Added to Jeremiah for you. There's one in no. And some dear to Diatia, and soon as away at the first ever major trophy. There's a Newcastle United team, no, almost from Timaji in 70 years. And now, Ukopium, Dashuma, Bibia Sompa, now trophy come at Dramacha. There's a multimisino, Abomadici, Liverpool team, no, and some Nashoma came in on taken about the Diatia, and some Nanasa Carabao Cup, no, almost on Swetima Canano, Perton Samno, and some Nadimatio for Jumedio, and so dear to your mammy found to this another big gamer and also na team course na gamer Arsenal team no omo ani Chelsea team no and so na the brand new Premier League ma na anya game kutu akwa game no ko na wie no na Arsenal team no achi Chelsea and so so makaba ko omo antimante saka no na after the game Arsenal manager ye first Mikel Arteta and nkomo we atu yanim.
Steve, London derby, what did you make of it?
We haven't conceded almost nothing apart from that save from the strange save from David, I would say, and that's a big credit to the team because, in my opinion, they are the best attacking team in the league.
If you avoid defeat at Liverpool out of the season, it's been the second season in a row you've not lost a game.
Continue to do those things, we get rewarded.
I think so. Okay. And the set piece goals are back.
Yeah.
Well, and that was some header. I think as he worked on that looked quite acrobatic what he did.
We work on something similar with that finish, to be fair, it was a different kind of finish planned, but very happy because that would generate belief in the team again, even in the stadium, the crowd, that we can score because it's something that we're missing obviously when we're so prolific on that time with the amount of injuries that we had to deal in the front line, so very, very happy with that.
Yes, and only some Arsenal manager fans, Mikel Arteta did to you after the game. And on a pair doing some Adema Mojumedia Sunadiatia, and soon as a chance manager. I am Enzo Maresca, also on there on shutdown who and Sunsunia da Arsenal and the Chelsea Bobo Columbia. While you two pass a difference in shutdown, so Yenti Sama, Chelsea manager Enzo Maresca added to him.
I think we struggled a little bit at the beginning. I think the first 20 minutes we struggled a little bit. Then after that, we start to control the game. We start to create some chances. And then second half, the game was, I think, 50-50. And for me, the big difference has been set pieces strategy.
Yes, I know, and some ideas Chelsea manager. Your friends Enzo Maresca did to any man on a play. You're doing some Adima Mojumedians and from to the Sanra Okopium, our Stadio Wanda Metropolitana, big game no, and so to make us about Letico Modi team no, almost on any team I found in Barcelona, at the Bonnie and then your game Kutakra. Now, answer game in the corner, we in a bouncer. Chasan not a point, no more the phone 2-0. I'm a Chasana game no my danger, my boss and Enzo Bassa for no. And so let me come back Mumbai game no 4-2 na anya sam kutu akwani yenti sama after the game after sana cha team e friend say Barcelona and so na toilet commanded for na ko so 4-2 ni na no o friend say flick no and so manager dem boss team no or the two anim.
No, it's like I think we played a good match and I think from nothing they make two goals and this is the strength of Atletico. They have really great the offense, but my team really fight. The mentality was unbelievable, and it's really great to work them.
There's something I want to ask. What matters is football part, but also mentality part. In the way that we are right now in March, with all the physical part that the team showed in all the season. So, which part of mentality and which part of football is the comeback of today?
No, I think it's today.
Yes,
it's a match. Next match.
Football club Barcelona manager. Your friend sounds a feeling to any man on pair doing some of the mamo. And what you made Diego Simeone. I am manager the man let T come out of the Bocono. Was it Ojide pass at the moment, dear Tim Bianua or once Asisua. Just at the Monday Bonum, I this Barcelona. While you two passes on the Barca bar, dominated play. Now, Ama Samson dictated and a game no, and Sincos bonsa e deserve sa onwini enro yente sama owura fransa Diego Simeone e manager enso ngadema Atletico Madrid team no aditudwa.
Muy bueno, que no duró absolutamente nada para que nos podamos hacer más fuerte defensivamente. Ese gol del 2-1 evidentemente movió energía, seguridad, más ataque de parte del Barcelona, y nosotros en algún contragolpe tuvimos la posibilidad también de gestionarlo mejor, pero se quedó ahí en una intención, porque no elegimos bien ese último pase. Y bueno, pues llegó el 2-2, el 3-2 vino consecuencia de un...
Yes, I know some Atletico manager reference Diego Simeone did to him after the game. Yeah, they want some of the mouse all kind in Spanish and tell me didn't cut the mouse. What did they pass out the moon? Barca Timino, the best team all La Liga anymore. And what did they pass us on the bus and so a bar? On betting some not dominate possession here. No man sounds so actually a game. No, young for someone and no answer at me boy man. Barca team 18 Kuno Atletico Madrid and none of pay. Yeah, they want some Adimamo Jumedia Sonino and so at the Saturday, our final lap show no me catch us a bounce team no. I do bet to me be a son Atima. Your first Liverpool on winger. Your friend son Luis Diaz na kwambia so no. Summertime for no pia. As someone sounds from Natimaka Luis Diaz man besia kai. And some Nadama pass no pay nya report sir. And commode no so nya dreche yepa. Am ya se bounce team no. As a kwambia so summertime for we no. O metim so na Fabrantia. Your friend Luis Diaz had done somebody to ya. Ya se akwara no some nature Sompa when your boss team no babo and the tennis boss sporting director or when first deco na ya Jumate Sakwambia so no we betim so 9 to 2 yasana beya summertime for you be abrantia your first Luis Diaz no mo 17 kano boss 4 jide passer a free 70 to 75 million euros so mo de kwa boss team no e betim so na jabrantia first Luis Diaz no amana be se akadama boss team na no pai ya don sam ngale tuja admete for jumade so ni na no enso na diaba na woje section goalkeeper Adama Bansa o se no be 4 to 3 months o be goalkeeper enso na Adama Bansa ni na no do baby na ot bench wan complain na se na watimanya kwanya enso na mani goal post Adama Bansa ni na no wose na ni agi no ditum pasa ono na chase na dai so pa na say UEFA Champions League no na ankasa na setime ka bo se do baby o give up sa Champions League on timenyi bida na ma ojire pasa on tesa season betima kona wi no as a sad dream na asanso babaka o jide pass afi UEFA Champions League no ana fe La Liga ni na no ono so na betima do betim bia sana bia bonsa team no e betim so na dis competitions no na o se bonsa team no enso no there's a good players o betim so compete for trophy bia and yes so bonsa goalkeeper your friends was a sanction e dia to na no pay gina so na latest amano nsema de ba na dia sia na oman na beto so de amnyankopon atuma ebo 9:30 ebehia enso na full time no so
o single on say Sompa ye was Sompa Kumase
yeah
ene ye was Sompa Sunyan
yeah
ene ye was Sompa Nkranza enne Sompa Nkran Lanche ne baso
oh okay
106.5
yeah
enne Lanche ne baso
wow
yes o mo hwe ni mu foforo kra
on so mo ka on the 17th
yes Edem entino ya corner legend abeto aso 9:30 on full time